Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to my first design team layout with the Memory Makers company. It's a digital company, so you print everything out that you need. And the first one is called Folkart Christmas. So I have a couple things printed, but we go ahead and I'm just going to show you. So you get this a lovely alpha and all different fun colors that you can use. Oops. And we have the decorative papers, so there's all kinds of fun stuff in there. Everything else, which is just all these other little things that are in there. So this is so cool, you guys. Journaling cards, so you have all kinds of fun colors. The solid colors, so you can print out your own cardstock, and your toppers, right? So I have printed a few things from this collection. I've got them fussy cutted out. As you can see, I've just got some of the elements. I might actually want to use that too. I don't know yet. But look at how cool this is. I just was kind of playing around to see what we had for all of our fun things. And you can see I've already cut some stuff from it. Dog's gonna play. So I'm going to use a 12 by 12 a white piece of cardstock. I'm probably going to do some mixed media on there, but I did just want to come in and show you guys. I went ahead and fussy cut out the little Santa. I'm going to do a band with all these strips. We're going to put Santa in here somewhere. I don't actually know where he's going to go. But I wanted to do kind of a mixed media in the background as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let it dry and we will be back. Basically, I'm just going to paint on some, brush strokes of the colors that are in here. So I'm going to try to find some matching colors, and that is it. So check this out. I will have them linked down below where you can go get all the new releases and everything. So I've just been kind of exploring and looking around and seeing what's in there. But oh my god, this Folkart Christmas is so cute and so fun. And I just see so much stuff, and I cannot wait to see what other releases and stuff that come out. So give me a minute and we'll be right back. All right, so the paint is dry. I went ahead and put the items on here. We went ahead and did those tags as like a very fun banner strip. Did kind of cover that middle swatch of paint. I did matte the whole thing in a color that's corresponding with this, but is also bringing in some of the tones of our Santa here. He has popped up on some foam. I did pull just a few bits from my stash because I'm trying to use those up as well. But I do like, my husband's reaching over and helping Santa give presents out. We've got all these cute little bits up here to create this cluster. I've popped them in there as well. And then, like I said, just added a few items. And now we're going to come in and put some dots around just to give a little something. I like odd numbers. So I've just got some half pearls in white. We're just gonna push these in here. Go right around the layout. Some of them are uber super small. Some of them are not. They do like to use a variety of these, but this will give just a little bit more dimension and pizzazz to the layout itself. I'm just using my little jewel picker. Like I said, some of them are super small, but I love them all. So we're just kind of adding where we can. flipping them over. They're very easy to use. This is just for my stash though, so. But head over to the digital and pick yourself up some of these digital things. That way you can print them in any size on any of the paper that you want. I totally recommend it. I love this vintage look. I cannot wait to see what is released next. There are 2 collections released a month, so please stay tuned. And all the links will be down below. Thank you so much. Bye for now.